Email campaigns fail for one simple reason. They're sent, not optimized. Better conversions don't come from more emails, they come from smarter ones. In this video, I'll show you how to optimize email campaigns in Klaviyo step by step in 2026, using changes that actually increase sales. All right. Optimization starts before writing anything. Never send campaigns to everyone. Always start with an engaged segment. People who opened or clicked recently. Better targeting instantly boosts conversions. Next, subject lines. If the email isn't opened, nothing else matters. Use clear, benefit-driven subject lines. Avoid hype. Avoid spam words. Clarity wins. Now, preview text. This supports the subject line and increases open rates. Use it to add context or curiosity, not filler. Think of it as a second headline. All right? Email layout. Most people skim. Use short paragraphs, clear sections, and one main message. If it looks heavy, it won't convert. Next, calls to action. Every campaign should have one main action, one button, one goal. Multiple CTAs confuse people and reduce clicks. Now, personalization. Go beyond first names. Use product viewed, purchase history, or category interest. Relevant emails convert far better than generic ones. Timing matters more than most people think. Send when your audience is active, not when it's convenient for you. Use past campaign data to guide send times. Finally, optimization means measuring the right things. Focus on conversion rate, revenue per recipient, and clicks. Open rates alone don't grow revenue. And that's how to optimize Klaviyo email campaigns for conversions. Better targeting, clearer messaging, cleaner design, and smarter measurement. Do this consistently, and campaign revenue improves without sending more emails.